This is May 1st, which is day one of my official cycling season. And as you can see, I'm here at the YMCA Playground Park. And today I'm going to be cycling up to, well, halfway to Forest City. And when I get there, I'll have more to say. But until then, I'm going to be recording some fabulous cycling videos. So stay tuned. I'm sure you'll enjoy every second of it. Okay, well, almost every second of it. On your right. Morning.
Oh, hi, how are you?
Good, and you? Okay, we're at the trailhead, or the Simpson trailhead of the Lackawanna River Heritage Trail, and I'm going to be riding up to the halfway point between here and Forest City, which is, I think, about 4 kilometers from here. Forest City is 8 kilometers, so I think the place I'm thinking of is only about halfway, so that's where I'm going to stop. I'll have a few comments to make, and then I will ride back. Well, Garmin says it's 23 degrees right now, and I'm certainly not going to disagree with it. It's much warmer now than when I started, and I've covered approximately 7 kilometers from Carbondale along the Lackawanna River Heritage Trail. I don't know how many times I've said that, but I can never say it properly. It's the Lackawanna River Heritage Trail. I'm 7 kms along that trail on my way to Forest City. I'm not going all the way. In fact, this is as far as I'm going. Once I get done here, I'm going to turn around and roll on back to town. It's a great day. It's May 1st. Like I said, my first official day of cycling. And hopefully it'll be nice weather tomorrow so I can carry on every day in May. I am officially in launch mode now, planning my getaway. I still don't have a specific date. I'm still looking at initial destinations. Right now, either Istanbul or Copenhagen look good on the globe, but which one of those I pick, I really don't know yet. It'll be the one that's easiest to get into. Also, it's May 1st, but in Southeast Asia, it's already May 2nd, so I'm going to say Selamat Hari Raya, Semua Kawan Malaysia. I know it's a week late when you're seeing this, but it's May 1st on the day that I'm recording it. So, Selamat Hari Raya. The best thing about the ride back into Carbondale or heading south on the Lackawanna River Heritage Trail is that everything is downhill. It's a 1 to 2% grade. In some cases it's 3, but that's for very short times. But it's all uphill from Scranton up until Uniondale. I don't know how far that is. And then it's all downhill in the opposite direction. And the reason for that is this used to be an old railroad bed, which for engineering reasons, which I don't understand, could never be more than 3%. I think we're going to time warp it back into town now, so hang on to your hats. Well, that's it for the day's ride. We're back at the YMCA, and day one, May 1st, is in the can. Hey folks, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe by clicking my face over there on the left. That's it for today. I'll show myself out.